What's up, everybody? I figured I'd make a little video today on getting my first oil change on my R7. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along, see how this whole thing goes. I think I'm about to run this red light because I don't think it sees me. So, but yeah, we're heading down to the shop right now. Gonna see how long it takes. The guy said he would look at it thoroughly for me since it's my first service on this thing, so let's just turn that off. But yeah, we're going to Reno Motorsports. Talked to the guy on Friday. He said to come down on Monday, so here we are. It's Monday. Oh. It's also very, very hot out today. It's 101 degrees right now, and I am in black sweatpants and a black hoodie. Probably not the best choice for the weather today, but you know, we're making do. We'll see. I'm also going to try to figure out how to change the clock on this because don't know if you can tell, it's not 9 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. Anywho's it. So let's go have some freeway fun on the way to the shop. Yeah. No turn signal, and then he did the left turn signal to turn right. Yeah, this guy's got to be on Percocets. That guy's got to be smoking some Percocets.
Go past this light, then turn right.
Did I route myself to the right place here? I'm beginning to think I put the thing in the wrong thing. way thing, you know? Yeah. This is not the street that I remember.
Turn right, then turn left.
Oh, I'm fucking smoking Percocets, I guess. Yeah, I'm smoking Percocets.
Arrived.
Alright, let's get her going, dude. Let's get this oil change. Can't forget that. Oh, she's cooking right now. Good lord. Alright everybody, just got oil done on this sweet beautiful thing. It was pretty quick. He helped me fix my clock. Shout out to these guys down at Reno Motorsports. Legends, absolute legends. Damn bro, I put a lot of miles on this thing in like a week. Now I'm gonna go home and edit a video, post on the YouTube for this week, and yeah, little update on the bike. Sounding nice and pretty. Got some new oil in her. Next to the Beamer, you know what I'm saying? How do I get on the freeway here? Oh, wait. No, I want to go the other way. Yeah, I want to go the other way. Yeah, got the oil change. First oil change on my baby here. Getting her ready. Get her nice and primed up. Woo! Put this new synthetic oil to the test, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. We'll just do my outro right now. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like this video if you would. Help my algorithm. Help a guy out, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I guess I'll end it with like a couple little wheelies or something. And see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little trip to the oil change with me and oh, don't pay attention to that. That's for my boot. For me and my baby right here. And on that note, I will catch you and you in the next video. Bye.